Hi, everybody. Welcome to Freedom at the Mat. And it's Olivia. And today we're going to talk about today. Just today. So what I find is sometimes we get really caught up in what happened yesterday, regretting what we didn't do, what we want to do. And the reality is we have the opportunity each and every day to renew and to choose again. So I hope you watch this particular video every single day, because you can use it whenever you want to watch this video. So, of course, reading from one of my favorite books by my favorite spiritual author, Marianne Williamson, A Year of Miracles. This is what she has to say on day 253. Today is the day I have prayed for. Today. Every day offers me the miracle of life, if I am open to receive it. Everyone offers me the miracle of love, if I am willing to bless them. Every moment offers me the chance to start over, if I am open to its messages to me. So today is the day that I have prayed for, a day of peace, of blessings for everyone. God creates only beautiful days. Through Him, may I create nothing less. I invite you now for a moment just to pause, get some stillness in your body, stillness in your mind as I read our prayer for today. Even if you don't want to pray, if you want to simply close your eyes, find a place in front of you that's still as I read. Dear God, may I live up to your creative genius within me. May I partner with you in co-creating a world of beauty and blessing for everyone. Use me that I might be of use. And so it is. Namaste. And so as we go into our intention setting phase for today's class, I want you to think about something that you want to have happen today. Now, you can give some thought, a millisecond of thought, to something that happened in the past. I want you to release that and know that as of right now, you can choose again and again, because today is all we have. It's just the present. So close your eyes with me as we go into our intention setting phase of the class, and think about something that you want to manifest today, something that you want to see differently today. Hola, mi hermosas mujeres, bienvenidas a la libertad en el estado. Welcome, beautiful ladies from all over the land, to Freedom at the Mat. Meet me at the mat today in a tabletop position. Let's warm up our spine, giving some energy to our body in cat and cow. Inhale, up. Heart up, sternum up, pressing in the mat, tailbone lifted, and exhale, press in the mat, dome the spine, your eye finds your navel. Extend that right leg out to the side, inhale, right arm up, shoulders are stacked, and exhale, bring an open palm through underneath your body, inhale back up, lifted, and exhale through. Give a gift to someone. Who are you giving a gift to today? It's all about today. Our class today is about today, living in the moment. So today we're going to do a lot of meditative poses that get us to really focus on the here and now. Last time, exhale through, giving that gift, reaching, and hand reaches the mat. I want you to lift that right leg, keep it lifted, flex the foot. Elbows come by your side. Elbows as you bend down halfway to a 90-degree angle as we get ready for our flow, which we'll use throughout Sun Salutations. There you go. Just inhaling, exhaling as you come up and down. Release the right knee to the mat. Extend the left leg to the outside and open that left arm overhead and release. Exhale. Open palm. Inhale, stability in that right arm is stabilizing you on the mat. and extend with the left arm. Open up, hold, and release. Up, hold, shoulders are stacked, one on top of one another. Hold it, and release both hands to the mat. So take that left leg behind you, go down to a half lift as we get ready for our chaturanga, which we'll use throughout our sun salutations. Bend the elbows, they come near your ribs as you go down, activating through your glutes, inhaling and exhaling, connecting with your breath. Tuck your toes at the back of the mat. Really reach through those arms, reach, unhunch the shoulders, really reach long through the waist, elongate through your waist for a nice down dog, right? Really stretch. Also, extend through your heels too. Walk to the front of the mat, fold forward, really reach. Wherever you fall today is wherever you fall today. Inhale, arms over your head, open the heart, hands overhead. Exhale, arms by your sides. Inhale, arms up, look up. And exhale, fold forward, heart first, reach down. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, hands on the mat. Come back to down dog. Inhale, right leg, left leg, just kind of warming up our legs. Inhale, right leg, bend at the knee, open up the knee joint. Some quick rotations of our knees, drawing circles on the back wall. Same thing with the left leg. You got this. All right. Now, come back to your down dog. Stretch really long through your arms. Walk to the front of the mat. Inhale, arms lifted. Exhale. Inhale, half lift. Hands to the mat. Down dog. Come down to plank. Inhale, up to up dog or cobra. Tuck the toes. Come back to down dog. That is sun salutation A. Got that? I hope so. Inhale. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Walk back, sun salutation B. Same plank, lifting down. Inhale up. Inhale, right leg back. Stabilize that knee as it comes forward between your hands. Inhale, arms lifted. Hands back to the mat. Back, come down through your plank. Inhale, up to up dog or cobra. You got this. Back, left leg lifted. Inhale, knee to nose. Come forward, inhale, arms overhead, get your stabilization. Come back to down dog, push down through plank, come up dog or cobra, down dog, walk to the front of the mat. So you've got Surya Namaskar A and Surya Namaskar B. We're gonna do mostly A's. I know you want more, let's go. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, hands to the mat. Feet back, down dog. You got it. Wonderful. Now, I'm gonna keep doing some of the breaths with you, but at a certain point, I'm gonna let you do it on your own. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale up, exhale back. It's all about the breathing. Let's do it together. Inhale up, exhale forward. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, hands to the mat. Inhale, exhale, lift. Inhale, walk to the front of the mat. Inhale, arms over the head. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale up. Exhale, back to down dog. Walk to the front of the mat. Inhale, lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, exhale. Inhale forward, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down dog back. Walk to the front of the mat. Inhale up, exhale. You got this, hands to heart center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, hands to the mat. Back to down dog. You come down through your chaturanga. Up, inhale, that right leg lifted, knee to navel, get your stabilization. Inhale, arms lifted up. Exhale, arms down, hands find the mat. Exhale, inhale, up, back. Left leg lifted, repeat, knee to navel, bring it to the front, stabilization. Inhale, arms overhead, and exhale. You got the rest of this. As you come back from your down dog to the front of the mat, Surya Namaskar A and Surya Namaskar B are slightly different. You do some more movement with your legs with B than you do with A. We're gonna keep going, but I wanna tell you what they are. So Surya Namaskar simply means a salute, bowing to the light. So we are bowing to the light in the morning. Sun salutations are a great energizing body practice to do in the mornings. Inhale. Oh no, just so you know, Surya Namaskar, it is Sanskrit for sun salutation. Sanskrit is the language that yoga was written in, the Hindu language it was written in. Left leg to the sky. Left leg forward, stabilization. Inhale, arms lifted. You got this. Exhale, hands to the mat. Down dog, reach. Extend down, elbows to your side. Inhale, up. You got this. Stretch. Walk to the front of the mat. Inhale, arms lifted. Exhale. You got this. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Lots of breathing here, right? Inhale up, exhale back. Right leg lifted, right leg comes forward. Stabilization, inhale, arms up. Really reach through that back leg. When I'm talking about stabilization, you're pushing down through your front leg, through the front foot and that front knee bending. You're also extending through the extended leg of the back, really through the heel. So right now, your right heel should be really extended, back of the knee extended, coming back, down, inhale up. You got this. Hold. Walk to the front of the mat. We've almost completed our Asana practice for the day. Look at that. Bring those hands to heart center. Feel your heartbeat. Remind yourself of your intention. And reach your arms up. So, right leg, starting with our tree. Stand firmly into your left leg. That left leg is in the mat. Bring the right sole of the foot into the left leg. It does not go there. That is a no. Not on the knee, but either at the calf or in the inner thigh. So, once again, bring your hands to prayer pose at your heart. Bring the left leg into the right. And I'm going to see if I can bring it up this time to show you what I mean by having it actually there in the inner thigh. Bring it back down. Inhale, arms up. And hands to heart center. You got this. Namaste. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's class. We focused a lot on just being present in the moment, really pushing through some poses that probably really required you to breathe and be present just to get through them. And as you move forward with your day, your week, your month, your life, I invite you to think back to today's affirmation, which is that today is the day I have prayed for. I am open to receive the beauty and the fullness of all the joy and abundance life has for me. Namaste.